The 2026 GR Supra might be the biggest surprise of the year, not because Toyota updated it, but because of how they did it. This new Supra delivers sharper handling, a more refined power delivery, and a redesigned performance setup that pushes it dangerously close to supercar territory at a fraction of the price. And yet, it still manages to stay comfortable enough for daily driving. So what changed under the surface? And is this the moment the Supra finally becomes the benchmark everyone hoped it would be? Let's find out. The 2026 Toyota GR Supra arrives at a moment when the performance car world is shifting fast. Toyota knows the Supra name carries weight. Decades of tuner culture, motorsport influence, and a loyal community that expects every new model to deliver something memorable. With this latest version, Toyota isn't just refreshing a sports car. They're making a statement about where the brand wants to go in a future filled with hybrids, EVs, and tightening regulations. The 2026 GR Supra might be the biggest surprise of the year, not because Toyota updated it, but because of how they did it. This new Supra delivers sharper handling, a more refined power delivery, and a redesigned performance setup that pushes it dangerously close to supercar territory at a fraction of the price. And yet, it still manages to stay comfortable enough for daily driving. So what changed under the surface? And is this the moment the Supra finally becomes the benchmark everyone hoped it would be? Let's find out. The 2026 Toyota GR Supra arrives at a moment when the performance car world is shifting fast. Toyota knows the Supra name carries weight. Decades of tuner culture, motorsport influence, and a loyal community that expects every new model to deliver something memorable. With this latest version, Toyota isn't just refreshing a sports car. They're making a statement about where the brand wants to go in a future filled with hybrids, EVs, and tightening regulations. Visually, the new GR Supra immediately feels more focused. Lower, wider-looking lines and a more confident stance make it clear who this car is built for. Drivers who want real, usable performance without stepping into six-figure pricing. It's aimed squarely at enthusiasts who appreciate balance, precision, and a sense of connection behind the wheel, but still want something modern enough to live with every day. And that's why this launch matters. The Supra has always competed in a crowded segment, but this year's redesign hints that Toyota is pushing the car into a more serious, more refined category. We're talking upgraded tuning, reworked dynamics, and a driving character that might challenge expectations. In this review, we're going to break down exactly what Toyota changed, how it feels on the road, and whether the 2026 model finally delivers on the heritage its badge promises. And by the end, you'll know whether this new GR Supra is simply an update or something far more important for the sports car world. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Toyota GR Supra is how deliberately it has been redesigned. Toyota didn't go for a radical, headline-grabbing exterior overhaul. Instead, they refined the proportions and tightened the overall stance so the car looks planted even at a standstill. The hood feels longer and lower, the side sculpting has more definition, and the rear diffuser now looks like it actually belongs on a performance car rather than a styling add-on. It's still unmistakably a Supra, but now it carries a sense of precision that wasn't as strong in earlier models. Move inside, and the changes become even more noticeable. Toyota finally reworks the cabin to feel more premium and more driver-centric. The seating position is lower, the steering wheel is thicker, and the materials feel richer. Fewer shiny plastics, more soft-touch surfaces, and a more cohesive layout. It's not a luxury interior, but it no longer feels like something that sits on the borderline between sporty and bare bones. The new 12.3-inch infotainment system is quicker, cleaner, and far easier to use, and the digital cluster now gives more performance-focused data without overwhelming you. But the real story begins once you look beneath the surface. The 2026 GR Supra's updated powertrain delivers sharper responsiveness, smoother acceleration, and a more controlled sense of speed. Toyota hasn't chased record-breaking horsepower numbers. Instead, they focused on usable power. The revised tuning makes the car feel more eager from mid-range RPMs, which is exactly where most drivers spend their time on both the street and the track. The result is acceleration that feels more confident and more predictable, giving the driver a stronger sense of partnership with the car. Handling sees a dramatic improvement as well. The chassis is stiffer, the dampers are retuned, and the steering feedback feels far more natural. You no longer fight the car during quick direction changes. The Supra now works with you. On twisty roads, it feels lighter than it actually is, and on smoother highways, it settles into a calm, comfortable rhythm that makes long drives surprisingly relaxing for a sports car. Fuel economy doesn't take a big hit either. Toyota manages to strike a workable balance between performance and daily efficiency. And while the Supra still isn't the most practical choice out there, it now feels far less compromised for everyday use, with improved ride comfort and better cabin insulation. Of course, there are still areas where the Supra shows its limitations. Rear visibility remains a challenge, storage space is tight, and some enthusiasts may wish Toyota pushed the engine a bit further. But these weaknesses start to fade once you feel how cohesively the entire package comes together. And that's what makes this year's model so intriguing. Toyota hasn't just polished the Supra, they've evolved it. The real question is whether these updates are enough to change its position in the sports car hierarchy, or perhaps even challenge cars far above its price bracket. We'll get into that and the surprising results from our deeper tests in the next section. This is where the 2026 GR Supra delivers its biggest surprise. On paper, the updates looked modest: revised tuning, stiffer chassis, sharper steering. But the moment you push the car past casual driving and into its true performance window, everything changes. The Supra suddenly feels like it has shed weight, sharpened its instincts, and unlocked a new level of confidence. In our final performance run, the turning point came in a fast, sweeping corner, the kind of place where previous Supras sometimes felt unsettled unless the road was perfect. This time, the car stayed planted. The front end bit harder than expected, the rear tracked with precision, and the steering gave feedback that felt almost telepathic. It wasn't just better, it was composed in a way that made the car feel one class higher than its price suggests. Acceleration tells a similar story. The updated power delivery isn't explosive, but it's cleaner and more consistent, giving you immediate trust in how the car responds. It's the kind of setup that makes you want to drive harder, because the Supra finally feels like it can handle more than you're willing to give it. Even the transmission tuning shows improvement, with quicker, more decisive shifts that match the car's new personality. And then there's the real-world test: potholes, uneven asphalt, and sudden lane changes. This is where many sports cars lose their charm. The Supra doesn't. The revised handling balances firmness with just enough compliance to make everyday driving feel surprisingly refined. You get the sensation of a car that's finally matured, finally figured out the balance between aggression and control. But the biggest shock isn't how well it performs, it's how complete the experience feels. This is no longer a car that relies on its badge or nostalgia. It stands on its own as its own statement. So the question now isn't whether the 2026 GR Supra has improved, it's whether these upgrades are enough to rewrite its standing in the modern sports car world. And that's exactly what we're about to answer. After spending real time with the 2026 Toyota GR Supra, the final verdict becomes clear. This is the most complete, most confident, and most mature Supra of the modern era. It doesn't try to be the loudest or the most outrageous sports car in its segment. Instead, it focuses on balance, the kind of engineering discipline that makes a car feel consistent, predictable, and rewarding every single day. The biggest strengths are obvious. The revised handling is the star of the show, giving the Supra the stability and responsiveness it previously lacked. The updated interior finally feels aligned with its price and purpose, and the power delivery now matches the car's overall character instead of fighting it. These improvements make the Supra appealing, not just to weekend track fans, but also to drivers who want a fast, refined companion for daily life. Of course, it's not perfect. The cabin space remains tight, rear visibility is still a challenge, and some buyers will wish Toyota pushed the horsepower further. But the important question is whether these drawbacks overshadow the overall package. And in this case, they don't. They simply define who the car suits best. The 2026 GR Supra is ideal for drivers who value precision over theatrics, balance over brute force, and connection over pure numbers. In a U.S. market increasingly dominated by SUVs and electrification, the Supra's existence and its improvement sends a message. There's still a place for an honest, driver-focused sports car built to deliver joy rather than just statistics. And its impact may reach further than expected. If Toyota continues refining the Supra with this level of discipline, it could influence how other brands approach the affordable performance segment in the coming years. So now the question is yours. Has Toyota finally delivered the Supra that enthusiasts have been waiting for? Or do you think the 2026 update still leaves room for more? Share your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if you enjoyed the review, and subscribe for more in-depth, real-world car breakdowns just like this one.